Hey everyone, this is Matthew. Welcome back to our channel. Today is Monday, October 27th, 2025, and this is your daily Nasdaq futures recap. Market news. Today we had a few key data points moving the market. At 10 a.m., September new home sales report was released. At 10:30 a.m., Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index came in slightly stronger than expected. At 11:30 a.m., Treasury held its 3-month and 6-month bill auctions. Overnight session, 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. Futures reopened strong at 6 p.m., boosted by optimism over renewed U.S.-China tariff talks. Buyers jumped back in immediately, pushing Nasdaq futures up over 200 points right out of the gate. Our robot entered a long position which was closed at a loss, as some buyers took profit and the market reversed. As the Asian markets opened around 9:30 p.m., Nasdaq stabilized and held its gains. The rest of the overnight session was calm, with no major news or data surprises. Morning session, 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. The early morning stayed quiet around 7:30 a.m. as traders awaited the economic data. At 8:30 a.m., pre-market volume started to pick up. When the U.S. market opened at 9:30 a.m., volatility returned. Price swings widened as traders reacted to housing and manufacturing numbers. At 10 a.m., after the release of the new home sales report, Nasdaq began to climb. Then, at 10:30 a.m., the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index came in at -5, better than the expected 8.7. That surprise sparked another round of buying. Our long position moved into profit, showing about $200 unrealized profit. Afternoon session, 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. The afternoon was very quiet. At 1 p.m., both the 3-month bill auction and the 5-year note auction showed little impact on market sentiment. Nasdaq hovered around 25,950, repeatedly testing but unable to break through the 26,000 resistance level. Our robot closed the long position with a solid $210 profit, bringing our net gain for the day to $9 after all trades. Overall, it was a slow but profitable Monday session. After hours, no major news or earnings after the close. A calm finish to the trading day. Summary. By following our trading rules, our swing robot ended the session with $109 profit, trading just one contract of the Micro Nasdaq Futures, MNQ. A steady start to the week with disciplined execution and risk control. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our daily updates. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next Nasdaq Futures recap.